How we doing, people? Been a little while. I'm out for another little ride. It's on my own. And I've got a little bit to talk about because something exciting's happened. And not exciting. Yeah. So something exciting's happened, and I've passed my theory test, which is great. So I'm looking forward to doing my big license, my full A. So I've been on a CBT for nearly 2 years now, and yeah, I've been on a CBT for nearly 2 years, coming up in February, and I've had L plates the whole time, and I'm sick of them. I want them gone. So I've booked in my first full A lesson on a bigger bike, see how I do, and we'll go from there. I'm looking for, like, I don't know, my next bike, I want something, obviously I like my sport bikes, so I want to stick with a sport bike. I just don't know what sport bike I want yet. I have a few ideas in mind, like a CBR 600 or something like that. I'll have to go to a dealership and sit on some bikes. I've never really sat on bigger bikes. I've only ever sat on Honda. Is it a CBR 650R? I think. You've seen it in my videos, the red bike, the red Honda Harriers. Yeah, 125 has been fun though, I will say that. I do love it. Any bike, I think any bike, if you're looking at, or thinking about getting a motorbike license, or a CBT, just go for it. As long as you can, like, afford it and stuff, it's the best fun you'll ever have. So I 100% recommend just going for it. Definitely. Still recording? Yes. I don't know why, but like I recorded my intro a minute ago and the camera just shut off, even though it's full battery, so I'm not sure why that happened. Hopefully it don't keep happening. Yeah, the weather's been awful around here. It's probably been awful around the whole of England, but yeah. I apologise if you can hear some Christmas tunes in the background. I still don't know how to make it so you can't hear it. And I have my music on like the lowest setting, so I do love Christmas. Halloween as well, actually. I hope you all had a good Halloween, by the way. If you're new around here, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Leave a like down below, I'd really appreciate it. You can probably tell me if you're wondering what bike I'm on a 2020 YZF-R 125 in white, as you can tell. Yeah, so with my theory test, I didn't pass it with flying colours, but I did decent. I can't exactly remember the marks, I'll put them on screen now. And yeah, I was quite nervous for it. I don't know if I already said that, but I was quite nervous for it. I practiced, like, I did book my theory like months ago, then I was too nervous so I cancelled it, because I didn't think I was going to pass. And then I rebooked it, and then I was practicing like, I think like a week, just in between playing my game and stuff like that. Practiced for about a week, went there, I won't say smashed it, but I passed it, so at the end of the day a pass is a pass for me, as long as I can not have to do that again, that's fine by me. So now I can go do my full licence. And the reason I haven't done like an A2 or anything like that is because I just didn't really see the point in doing the whole test thing twice, or even 3 times if you go to an A1. It's a bit ridiculous. So I decided to just wait the 2 years and then just get a full A, and then I can just ride whatever bike I want then. Hopefully I'll be riding with people again soon, because Lewis is getting his bike sorted out. It's been in bits for God knows how long. I can't wait to have a better sounding bike as well. This one sounds nice, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, it's a little bit too obnoxious for my liking. We need the summer back, man. We need the summer. That's the same bike that was down, isn't it? One thing I'm going to miss about a 125 is the fuel. The fuel, like, lasting ages. Yeah, I want it to be a lot warmer so I can start going down, keep it quickly. I just don't see the point in going that far in this really cold. Not worth it, not to me. Not until I've got heated grips and stuff. That's another thing, the next bike I can definitely have heated grips. So I'm thinking, yeah, I'm going to have heated grips. Gonna get some crash pins for it. I didn't really want, oh my days, I didn't really want to mod this one too much because it's just a 125. And I thought I'd be doing an A2, but I just decided to wait. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please hit that like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.